back to my channel. Today I've been hearing a lot of noises in the walls. And as you can see, I'm in my dad and my mom's room. And for 10:08 in the morning, 10:08 p.m. And my sister's here, my brother's here, and my little brother's here. Not my mom and dad because my mom and dad went out. Or something. It just went to the store. I don't know where they are. Okay, so don't worry about that there. So I've been hearing noises in the walls, and you can actually see there's a hole in my wall. So yeah, and I don't know what that noise is. That was not me. My hand was like right here. You guys couldn't see it, but it was right there. Guys, I'm actually scared because it's like nighttime and I was watching creepy videos on my dad's phone because my phone's like dead. Can't find it. But yeah, one time on Easter Eve, my sister was hearing a lot of noises on the wall, like scratchy noises. I'm gonna do the scratchy noise for you, but I haven't been doing this scratchy noise. Yeah, like that. And I do not know if it's a mouse, rat, a bug, kind of bug. Put my camera like this. Everybody likes to put their camera like this now. You can see the camera. You can see. Okay. TV. Boop. Everybody else. My nails are super pretty. Picked them yesterday. Or Friday. Yeah, it was on Friday.
Scientists project North Carolina could see its worst tick season yet due to standing water from Hurricane Florence. Ticks in North Carolina can carry different types of diseases like Rocky Mountain spotted fever, Lyme disease, ehrlichiosis, and anaplasmosis. To prevent tick bites, doctors say spraying repellents like DEET can help. However, if you're bitten by a tick, knowing how to remove it is important.
Guys, I'm hearing about the tick people. People get ticks on their hand. And do not twist because it will hurt you, get poisoned, do anything. So, I think why I'm getting creepy noises in the walls or why I keep hearing footsteps, well, that must be my sister. And at night, I've been hearing creepy noises, scratches, footsteps. And I've been hearing footsteps in like the middle of the night, not like in the middle of the morning time, in the middle of the night morning. My dad always gets up, so I know it's my dad because my dad always gets up on that time to go to work. I don't know, I'm really scared because I do not know how much there is. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll put ssspinerwoft on the description down below because she is a great YouTuber. So now I think I'm just gonna maybe go to bed. I don't know, you watch YouTube videos, but subscribe, like, comment down below. I want 5,000 subscribers. And if you guys have 5,000 subscribers, I'll give somebody a lucky winner. So excited. I want to see on my videos if I got any comments. But let me tell you about this. Just give a thumbs up. I want to see how much thumbs up you guys got. And subscribers. Okay, and views. I'm not all about the views. I'm all about the love into people. Okay, but I've been hearing stuff downstairs. I've been going downstairs a lot to check. And then sometimes I get distracted to the TV because the TV's always on. And I don't know why. Okay. So, and I don't trust that thing in my mom and dad's room. Like there, look at. You see that? You see that thing right there? That's a door, secret door. You could go in here, like me or my brother. Nobody else that's big. Or my sister. My sister. A little. Little bit. Keep getting distracted from the TV. Oh, guys. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go to sleep. Okay. Keep getting videos. But I think I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below if you like this video. I'll put the description down below. Go watch your channel. I'll do it in the description down below. And yeah, links in the description. So yeah, subscribe to her, and I hope you guys like this video. I wanted to get to 5,000 likes. Bye. Bye, my selfish angels. Not selfish. I just like to call people that because they're always. Bye, my angels. Bye, my anime angels.